Ladies and gentlemen, riders and adrenaline seekers, hold on tight because today we are diving straight into a machine that doesn't just ride, it commands the road. The Honda CBR350 isn't just another bike, it's a declaration of style, speed, and precision engineered for those who refuse to compromise. The moment you set your eyes on it, you know you are looking at a bike that blends aggressive performance with unmistakable elegance. Its aerodynamic fairing, sleek body lines, and aggressive stance make it impossible to ignore. Every curve, every cut, every design choice screams one thing: this bike was born to dominate the streets and track alike. From the very first glance, you feel the pulse, the heartbeat of a machine designed to thrill. Now, let's talk power. Underneath that muscular frame lies a 348cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that produces a commanding 38 horsepower and 31 Newton-meters of torque. What does that mean for you? It means explosive acceleration, smooth power delivery, and the ability to carve through traffic or fly down open highways with total confidence. The engine isn't just strong, it's engineered with Honda's renowned precision, ensuring reliability that lasts for years. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox that shifts like silk, the CBR350 delivers a riding experience that's as fluid as it is fierce. Whether you're leaning into corners or cruising straight lines, the power is always under your control, waiting to respond to your every command. And yes, it's built to handle not just speed but endurance, making it perfect for both city streets and long highway adventures. But power is nothing without control, and Honda knows this better than anyone. The CBR350 comes equipped with a modern suspension setup, a telescopic fork at the front and a monoshock at the rear, that ensures razor-sharp handling, stability, and comfort no matter the terrain. Whether you are hitting tight city corners or long sweeping bends, this bike stays planted, offering a ride that's both exhilarating and safe. Add to that the dual-channel ABS braking system, which gives you precise stopping power in any condition, and you're looking at a machine that balances raw aggression with rider confidence. Every ride becomes a controlled thrill, a dance of power and precision. Now, let's talk about features that go beyond just speed and handling. The Honda CBR350 isn't just a powerhouse, it's a tech-savvy marvel. The fully digital LCD instrument cluster gives you real-time information on speed, gear position, fuel, and even trip data. You have LED headlights that not only look sharp but also illuminate the road with crystal clarity, making night rides a spectacle of both style and safety. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable riding posture, reducing fatigue on long rides, while the sporty split seat and sharp tail section make it a visual statement that turns heads wherever it goes. And here's a hidden gem: the CBR350 comes with Honda's refined engine tech that optimizes fuel efficiency without compromising performance. So yes, you get power, thrill, and mileage, all in one thrilling package. Let's now address the price, because this beast isn't just a dream, it's an attainable reality. The Honda CBR350 is competitively priced in the mid-350cc segment, giving riders access to premium performance without breaking the bank. Considering what you get: precision engineering, cutting-edge features, Honda's legendary reliability, and an aggressive design, the price is not just justified, it's a bargain for enthusiasts who want to own a bike that feels far above its segment. Owning a CBR350 isn't just about mobility, it's about making a statement every time you ride. From city commutes to weekend adventures, this bike transforms every journey into an event, an experience, a thrill ride that others can only dream of. But what really sets the CBR350 apart are the hidden features that only true riders notice. The engine heat management ensures your hands and legs stay comfortable even on scorching summer rides. The lightweight frame, crafted with precision, makes the bike incredibly agile, allowing you to maneuver through traffic effortlessly while still feeling rock solid on highways. The sporty exhaust isn't just for show, it delivers a crisp, aggressive note that makes your presence known without being overwhelming. And the best part: every component, from the clutch feel to the throttle response, is designed to create an immersive connection between rider and machine. You aren't just riding, you're commanding a finely tuned instrument built for exhilaration. Now, picture yourself on this machine. The moment you twist the throttle, the world changes. The CBR350 doesn't just move, you feel its heart beating in sync with yours. Each turn, each lean, each surge of speed reminds you why motorcycles aren't just vehicles. They're freedom, they're passion, they're an extension of your soul. And in a world full of ordinary rides, owning the CBR 350 means you refuse to settle for ordinary. You embrace performance, style, and technology in perfect harmony. So whether you're a new rider looking for an entry into the thrilling world of sports bikes, or an experienced rider seeking a mid-capacity beast that delivers excitement without compromise, the Honda CBR 350 is the answer. It's not just a bike, it's a lifestyle, a statement, a daily adrenaline boost that turns mundane roads into racetracks and ordinary commutes into legendary journeys. Honda has not just created a motorcycle, they've created an experience, an emotion, a bond between man and machine that once felt impossible in this segment. In conclusion, the Honda CBR 350 is more than a 348cc sports bike. It's a perfect blend of power, precision, style, and innovation. With its aggressive design, refined engine, tech-savvy features, and rider-focused ergonomics, it promises an unforgettable experience for anyone who sits on it. Its price makes it accessible, its performance makes it desirable, and its hidden features make it unforgettable. So, if you're ready to step into a world where every ride is a thrill, every corner a challenge, and every road an adventure, the Honda CBR 350 is waiting for you. This is not just a bike, it's your ticket to adrenaline, your companion for freedom, and your ultimate statement of passion on two wheels.